In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your address in Xero. Changing personal or business information on any online platform can sometimes feel like navigating through a maze. It's important that your business details are up to date, not only for compliance reasons, but also to ensure that communication and invoices reach you without a hitch. Today, I'm going to walk you through updating your address on Xero, a popular accounting software for small businesses. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard of your Xero account. This is your central hub, where you can access various features and settings within Xero. Now, the next step is to make your way to the organization settings. You have a couple of options here. You can either select your organization directly or click on the Settings option. Within the Settings menu, your mission is to locate the Organization Details section. This particular area houses the core information about your business, including the address we want to update. When you click on Organization Details, you'll be taken to a new page dedicated to your business's essential info. On this page, you'll need to look for the Contact Information section. This is where your current business address is displayed. While you're here, it's a great idea to review the other details listed as well. Ensuring all your business information is up to date helps maintain smooth communication and compliance with regulations. Changing your address is straightforward. Click into the address field and you'll notice it becomes editable. This feature allows you to type in your new address. Take your time to enter the new address details accurately. This information is critical for mailing and legal purposes, so it's worth taking a moment to double-check for any typos or inaccuracies. Remember, even a small mistake can lead to big headaches later, especially when it comes to receiving important mail and documents. Once you are confident with the information you've entered, the next move is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually positioned towards the bottom or top of the page. Clicking Save ensures that Xero instantly updates your organization's details with the new address you've provided. Congratulations! You've successfully updated your address on Xero. This simple yet crucial task helps keep your business information current, so you reduce the risk of missing important communications or updates. Remember, keeping your business details accurate across platforms is key to seamless operations and adherence to compliance requirements. Before we conclude, here's a quick tip. Consider setting a regular schedule to review and update your business details across all the platforms and services you utilize. This proactive approach will save you time and trouble in the long run, ensuring your information is always up to date. That's all for today's tutorial on how to change your address on Xero. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for support or consult Xero's extensive help resources. Stay tuned for more helpful videos on making the most of Xero and other essential tools for your business.